Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we're going to do a makeup look using the His Hers Lobsters palette, which is part of the Friends collab with Revolution Beauty. And oh my god, it's Black Friday, so that means the sale's on. And yes, this palette is in the sale. So get yourselves comfortable, go and get yourself that drink that you all love to sit and watch me with, and give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so we're going to do a look using the His Hers Lobster palette. Okay, now I've seen some amazing looks being created on YouTube using this, so I'm going to try my best and try and create something, but we'll see what we can go with. You guys know the drill with me, I'm no makeup artist. So anyway, let's just get in. I'm going to go in with the Pantherine eyeshadow brushes from Spectrum Collections. Okay, so let's go in with, where do you start? Like, I don't even know which one. They're all so cool, aren't they? Let's go in with Beef Try, which is this one here, and we'll go in with the transition, you know, into the crease. Okay, I'm gonna take the big fluffy brush and blend that all out. Talk to me nice, talk to me on. Go in with the other eye. Honestly, look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. And then next we're gonna go in with Bagpipe, which is like a red, and then we're just gonna say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. And then I'm gonna go with the little round waffles, which is this shade here. Just look how gorgeous that is. And we're gonna apply that on the lid. I'm already on my way, I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already. Okay, what are we thinking? And then I'm just going to go underneath and just use whatever's on the brush, pencil it underneath. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in with a bit of Legendary, which is this shade right here, and go in to the corner there. Got like an orange shimmer to it. And we're going to go in with some Spectrum Dark Matter Mascara. On my way, why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Then I'm going to go in with some Radial eyeliner, and then I'm going to go in with Spectrum's this shade right here, which is Venus. Okay, so what are we thinking with the look? It's very, oh, I absolutely love this palette. I think it's absolutely amazing, and it's actually on offer at the minute in the Black Friday sale, so go and get yourself this. Everyone's gonna enjoy it. They literally glide on. The shades are absolutely stunning. I mean, you've got Barge, you've got Nubbin. Just look how beautiful these shades are, and I've actually done a full swatch of this. You can go and check it out here and check out all the other palettes, but this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm absolutely loving it. I hope you guys liked today's video as much as I enjoyed creating this. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to go and grab it, because oh my god, it's gorgeous, and I think it's actually gone down to £18, so go and grab it while you can, because I bet you, I think they restocked them last week, sure it was, so go and grab it while you can. So guys, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all on another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.